Thank you for watching this video about my personal project around scraping of data from Google Map. So this project was born when I was like trying to know how much I was like putting in the atmosphere when I was traveling with my car between Miami and Boca Raton, so it's in Florida. So the car is like an SUV. Um, I just wanted to know how much I put of CO2 in the atmosphere when I was like taking my car to do this trip, and also I wanted to know how much uh, that cost in terms of gasoline, and also I wanted to know how much I could compensate my trip by planting trees. So I don't know if you know that, but if you do some your web search thanks to Ecosia is a search engine uh, who gave like uh, its benefits to plant trees around the world. So every 45 searches in through Ecosia, that means you plant a tree. So I just wanted to know how much I had to make some. I had to make searches to compensate my CO2 during this trip. So as you can, you have to know some stuff. Is It's important to know that a tree in average catch around 30 kilograms by CO2 by year. So it was something important um, to know about that, and also we have to know that uh, there is 10 kilograms of CO2 put in the atmosphere by per gallon. So it's some variable important to know about it. So I'm going to run the code for the first time, and after I'm going to explain everything. So when I'm running it, so what is my current location? So I am in Miami. Where do you want to go? I want to go in Boca Raton. So it's in Florida. How many person are traveling with me? So we are two, me and someone else, for example, a passenger, and I run. So first of all, is going to scrape the the data. So wait and see. So I wanted to know where Miami is located. So it's in Florida. So the first step is to scrape the state. After is going to make a search by where I'm located, so in Florida, to take the price of the for each gallon in Florida, and after it is going to make the research between Miami and Boca Raton. So what he's going to do is going to scrap the number of miles. As you can see, as 46 miles, around 47 miles. So here, after we have like the result of that. So I'm in Florida, so FL, the prices in average in Florida for the gas is $2.953, and I have to drive 46.9 miles. So my consumption is around more than 1 gallon for to do this trip. Um, because we are two in the car, you have to be aware of that. So you multiply by two if you are alone. The price is around $2 per person for this trip, and you are going to put in the atmosphere around 6 kilograms of CO2 in the atmosphere per person in the car. So if you want to compensate this emission of CO2 in the atmosphere, you have to plant around 0.2 trees. So to plant 0.2 trees, you can plant it like manually, or you can also make some searches on Ecosia, and for that you have to do around 9 searches on Ecosia to compensate your trip between Miami and Boca. So if we do the same again, the same with, for example, if we are 4 in the car, you will see the results are a bit different. So if we are 4, let's wait and see. So that will start again. So first at all is going to see in which state we are. So here we can see we are in Florida. So you want to scrape this this information. After that close, that will reopen the place. So Florida is going to take the average of Florida, and after is going to do the trip between Miami and Boca Raton, and again to scrape the number of miles between Miami and Boca Raton. After that close, and we can see everything is a bit different. So now, so before we put it like 3 kilograms of CO2 in the atmosphere, now it's just 3. Before it was 6, now it's just 3. After it was like before it was like around $2, now it's around $1. So it's normal because we are more in the car, and you have to do like less searches on Ecosia to be CO2 neutral. So now then we see the code is writing. If you want, we can make a quick look on the code. So here it's where I'm talking with the user of this code. So it's an interact between the code and the computer. I mean, and the person. So here it's the static variable, because it's important to have some statics one because you don't have to scrape everything if it's something known in advance. So after is going to go on Google Map, as we have seen before. We are going to wait 3 seconds, and after it is going to put some search. So here is going to go and to put Miami. So he's going to put Miami. So as you can see, he's going to go on the search box and put start, and start it's here, Miami. After he's going to wait 3 seconds, and after he's going to click on the button, and like that he can see where is Miami, in which state. After it's here when you can see in which state you are. So after that close and that kit. So now we have Florida. So if you see Florida here, if you see Florida, so it's in this case Florida. So if you see that, then the state is called FL. So FL is important. So it could be like with every state. So I put like 10, I guess, or 12, I don't remember, just for the example. But so here it's important. So why? Because after is going to take the average of the price for the gas prices. And so as you can see, it's going to this website, and is going to add at the end the state where we are located. So here it was Florida. So is going to take the prices for state equal to Florida, to FL. So we are going to see the prices for the gas in Florida. And after is going to take the price to do like, is going to find all the text for the price, and is going to replace dollars by nothing. Like that we just have like a number like this one, 2.953. And after is going to kit and to close everything. So now we have like the state, and we have the prices for the gas. Now we just have to do the trip between the location Miami and the location we want to go, so Boca Raton. And now we just want to know the distance between the two cities. And so that's exactly what he's doing, exactly as before. So I'm going to scrape this um, this information from Google Maps. So now I've got the number of miles, and now is just going to show all the results. And so we have like you have to drive for 46.9 miles, it's here, and etc etc. And at the end is going to show you how much you have to plant as tree. And as I know, you have to, for one tree you have to do like 45 searches on Nicosia, so I can convert about how many searches I have to do to compensate and to be zero CO2 neutral. So I hope this video was interested for you, and I hope you liked it. So do not hesitate to ask me all the questions you want about it, and I will be very happy to answer of them. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.